Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to delete your account from the Meta Quest 3. So at first, just take out this navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as your navigation bar is out, just open the settings. You can open the settings through the quick settings. Go here and then go there. And as you open the settings, go in the option Accounts Center. And go in the option Personal Details. As you open this, go in the option Account Ownership and Control. And select this. And select your profile. And press on Continue to delete the account from your Meta Quest 3. So guys, that's how you delete the account from your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.